In this video, we're going to explore PHP string operators. We'll learn how to work with concatenation and assignment to manipulate strings in PHP. These are essential operators for combining and changing strings, so let's dive in. The concatenation operator in PHP is represented by a single dot. This operator is used to join two or more strings together. Think of it as a way to link strings end to end, creating a new combined string. Here's an example of how to use the concatenation operator. First, we define a variable named firstName and assign it the string value John. Then we define another variable named lastName and assign it the string value Doe. To combine these, we create a new variable called fullName. We use the dot operator to concatenate firstName, a space which is a string value, and lastName. The result is John Doe, which is stored in the fullName variable. The concatenation assignment operator is represented by a dot, followed by an equals sign. This operator appends a string to an existing variable. Instead of creating a new string, it modifies the original variable by adding the new string to the end. Here are a few examples of how to use the concatenation assignment operator. First, we define a variable named message and assign it the string value hello. Then we use the dot equals operator to append the string world to the existing message variable. The result is that the message variable now holds the value hello world. Similarly, we define a variable greeting and assign it the string welcome. Next, we append the string to PHP to the greeting variable. After this operation, greeting will contain welcome to PHP. Here is a quick summary of the string operators we've discussed. The single dot is the concatenation operator, which joins strings together. The dot equals is the assignment operator, which appends a string to an existing variable. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.